I have a little, you know, nail in the tire. It is GS Lexus right here. I'm gonna need this, and I got my equipment over there, my plug kit over there. So you're gonna just need pliers like this to grab. It doesn't matter if the tire go flat. I do have an ear pump as well, so keep that in mind to have an ear pump. So I'm gonna do it off camera because I can't record at the same time while me pulling this out. So that's what I'm gonna do. You just gotta grab it and pull it out of there. Alright, as you can see, I got it out. This is what was in there. I put the second one in just to make it easier. And of course, I got this, put it to the loop like you threading a needle. So we pull this out and then we push this in. And that's how you plug the tire. Feel me? That's how you plug the tire. Boom. There you have it. And you could use a scissor to cut it off, or you could leave it. You drive, it's going to eventually come off by itself, but that's basically plug. Piece of cake. Pliers like this, or any type of pliers just to grab the screw out of there. Plug kit. This, and of course these right here. I got one more. Well, I got another pack. Piece of cake, easy and simple. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. You feel me?
Start it.
Alright.
Press and hold it, and it'll turn on.
So this is a Fanttik. This is the brand right here. X9 Ultra V12. Feel me? This is an ear pump, of course. As you know in my last video, well, I'm gonna merge this video in to make it longer, of course. I just recently plugged that tire over there, and it doesn't matter how much air come out because we do have an ear pump on deck. So on the here, this is where you take it out and you screw it up in there. So let's get it. So there we go, we screw it up, and if you need a different size, they got all the accessories inside here. You flip this up and you'll see everything else inside of there. The charging port. Hold on, let me give you guys all that. Charge your phone, input, output, everything over here. So let's get it started. Hold this button down right here. As you can see how it looks, and it's already set.
Yeah, it already says 29.
20. That's how much is in the tire right now. 29 psi, and 35 we're gonna put in there. So
press the button in the middle again.
You just hit the button one time, and that was quick. Wow. And it's gonna stop automatically once it hit. You know, that was quick. Just like that. There you have it. How much you think it weighs?
Maybe 6-7 pounds, maybe.
Not too bad. About 5.
But it's good to keep that in the vehicle.
Oh yeah.
Everything. It got lights on the front of it, so you can turn the lights on. Adjust the air pressure anytime. Not too loud.
Yeah, that was quick and easy. I like the quickness. You know, the other smaller ones take a longer time, but even though it wasn't all that flat, but you could tell that this was more powerful and more durable. You know, stronger. Good battery life. You know, it shows a whole screen. Not bad at all. Looks good.